What's up, guys? It's Gus Activa, and today we're rating Kylian Mbappe's outfits. And today you're gonna learn how to describe outfits in English. Let's go. This is actually really nice. He has a nice haircut. His hair is low, so he doesn't have a lot of hair. It's low. He has a tie, so he's in a suit. The suit color is dark blue. Is it black or is it dark blue? My eyes aren't working right now. It's dark blue. So as you can see, he has a tie, a white buttoned up shirt, and a blazer, dark blue pants, and a dark blue watch. I like this outfit. I would give it 8 out of 10. Let's move on to the next outfit. This outfit has a lot going on. So there's a lot of different colors going on in this outfit. As you can see, he's wearing a mask over his face. People wear masks if they don't want to get sick or they don't want to spread any germs. And it's a very colorful sweater. The sweater that he's wearing. The sweater. It looks cool though. It's just a lot going on. There's the color yellow, orange, red, pink, white. He has a brown watch. He has dark blue jeans, and I'm not a fan of the jeans. I'm going to give it a 5 out of 10. Let's move on to the next outfit. His game day uniform. As you can see, he's wearing tape, white tape around his wrists. He's wearing the Real Madrid jersey, the white color. Shorts. He has on white shorts, long white socks, and his cleats are pink. Pink cleats. I like this. 10 out of 10. I like this outfit a lot. So as we can see, he has on a lot of brown. Under everything, he has on a white collared shirt. It looks like he has on a brown sweater. He has on a long brown coat. He has on a watch. The pants are gray and dark brown boots. I like this outfit a lot. It's very classy, very stylish. I would give this outfit 8 out of 10. Okay, so as we can see, he's clearly relaxing. He did not put a lot of effort in this outfit. The shirt is cool. I like the shirt. He has on cool glasses. He has on a hat, black shorts, black socks, and black shoes. He also has a watch on. The thing is, I'm not a fan of how high he has his socks. But I know this is just a calm outfit. He's not trying to be stylish here. He's just relaxing. 6 out of 10. He looks happy. He's smiling. Yeah, this looks good. It's very relaxed. His clothes are very loose. So loose. When the clothes are loose. He's wearing a sweater. A big green sweater. Loose green pants. The sweater and the pants are the same color. And his shoes are white with a little bit of green. I like this outfit. I would give it a nice 7 out of 10. This outfit is actually really cool. He has on a white t-shirt. He has on a necklace. So something on his neck. So he has on a beige jacket. His pants, I would say the color is beige as well. His shoes are black and white. He also has on a clear watch. So I would say it's a clear watch. You could see his skin through the watch if you look closely. And also that bag is another beige color. So the white mixed with the brown. I'll give it 9 out of 10. I like it. This outfit is nice. I like it. It's serious, but not too serious. He's wearing a light blue button up. Light blue with short sleeves, black pants, black and white shoes. 8 out of 10. No. 7.5 out of 10. That's what I give it. So as you can see, he has on a necklace, a red shirt, he has on a watch, he has on light blue jeans, and he has on some cool shoes. I like it. It's very simple, but very cool. I would give it a 7.5. This is very cool. He's wearing off-white, cream-colored turtleneck. So a turtleneck is like a sweater, but the sweater is covering the neck as well, like this. Brown pants. As you can see, it's kind of baggy. It's not tight. It's loose. Loose like this, which is cool. Plain white shoes, which is very good. 8 out of 10. I like this picture a lot. It looks very stylish and he looks very serious. It's like he's ready, you know? This is probably before a game. He's wearing black glasses. He's wearing a black shirt, a black jacket, black watch, black bag, black pant, and black shoes. 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. All right, guys, those are all of the outfits that we're gonna review for today. I hope you guys learned some new vocabulary when we were rating his outfits. If you guys enjoyed this video or learned any new words, remember to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.